Are you tired of prep courses that only hand you practice questions without teaching you how to succeed? Are you looking for a program that not only helps you understand how the National Registry Exam works, but also gives you the tools, tips, and tricks to pass on your very first attempt? The How-To NREMT Prep membership is more than just a study program. It's the ultimate resource for exam success and is the best NREMT prep in the nation. With thousands of practice questions, expert guidance, and proven strategies, we've helped countless students pass with confidence. Still unsure? Don't just take our word for it. Check out the glowing written and video testimonials from those who passed their exam on their first try after using our program. But how do we do it? It's simple. We use a proven 10-step training program that makes your prep quick, efficient, and stress-free. Have you ever stressed out about what to study, how to study, or whether you're studying properly? Our 10-step training program takes the guesswork out of prep and guides you directly from where you are to success. Do I have to study every single thing in my textbook? Absolutely not. You don't need to memorize your textbook from cover to cover. Our program focuses on teaching you the essential information you need to pass your exam while filtering out the non-essential details. For example, our flashcard program is designed to provide you with exactly what you need to know. No more, no less. This saves you the hassle of figuring out what to study and spares you countless hours of creating hundreds or even thousands of flashcards yourself. We've done the hard work so you can focus on learning effectively and efficiently. I've always considered myself a bad test taker. You're not alone, but our masterclass videos are designed to fix that. These lessons go beyond typical prep by teaching you how the exam works, providing tips and tricks to master it, and showing you exactly how to navigate even the trickiest questions with confidence. I need practice questions that actually prepare me for the real exam. We've got you covered with our practice app. Accessible on iOS and Google Play, this app features over 2,000 questions, written to the same standards as the National Registry Exam. Practice anytime, anywhere, and get the targeted preparation you need. I get nervous on test day and struggle with stamina. Our National Registry Exam Simulator will help you build the mental strength and endurance you need. It replicates the actual exam, scores you out of 1,500 points, and prepares you for the real thing, so you'll feel confident and ready on test day. I need an edge to get through tough questions. With our 101 Final Tips and Tricks training video, you'll gain over 101 strategies to identify key details, avoid traps, and handle even the hardest question. This video will give you that extra boost to pass with confidence. I feel shaky on my anatomy and physiology knowledge? Our A&P review course has your back. It includes detailed and simple breakdowns, pictures, and downloadable practice sheets to ensure you're solid on every system in the body. It's a complete refresher to set you up for success. I need study materials that are easy to use. You'll receive training documents like vital signs sheets, study guides, and more. Tools specifically tailored to help you succeed. I could use some live, personalized help. Our group coaching sessions give you direct access to a live instructor on Zoom. They'll fine-tune your skills, answer your questions, and ensure you're making progress toward passing your exam. I'm worried about the new question formats. No problem. Our technology-enhanced items course is designed to teach you how to tackle the new exam formats, like drag and drop, checkbox, and clinical judgment scenarios. Plus, you'll get plenty of practice so you can approach these questions with ease. I waste time searching for answers in textbooks. Meet Mr. How-To, your personal AI training bot. He's built right into the app and ready to answer all your EMS-related questions instantly. No wasted time. Just quick, accurate answers when you need them. With the How-To NREMT membership, we've thought of everything to help you prepare faster, easier, and with less stress. Join today and let's get you ready to pass your exam on your very first or next attempt.